Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to edit footer in Shopify. Let's get started. So let's first review our store in order to see what we're gonna work with. So in here, you can just scroll down and in here you can see my footer. I actually have in here a very blank footer. Like I only have this email sign up, one of the social media, this courtesy, as well as the payment method of PayPal. So let's head over in here on our Shopify dashboard. Click on this customize option. And then once you have done that, you can see in here a Shopify editor. So just scroll down from there. And in here you can see your footer. You can also just head over and click on this footer option right here. In here you can see in here some color scheme. You can change it out and do however you want. So for example, in here I have changed it to black and also change it into different colors that you prefer. So for me, I'll just head over and change it to black in here. And you can also show or hide the email sign up. As you can see, it has been hidden, but for me, I'll just choose to show it. You can also head over and then change in here the heading. So for example, for me, I'll only just put in here subscribe. And you can also enable follow and shop, as well as social media icons. So for example, this Facebook right here, and also country and region selector, language selector, payment methods we have, which is PayPal. So if you uncheck that, this will actually remove PayPal right here. And you can also show policy links right here, as well as the spacing and top margins. So if you head over in here on your theme settings, you should be able to add in here an image for that. So for example, you can click on select. And for example, in here, I'll just choose a variant image. Like for example, this one. And then in here, this will reflect just for a few seconds, but sometimes it will take some time for this to reflect. In here, you can also add in here some Instagram or YouTube or any social media icons. So for example, for this one, let's head over and add in here a link for Instagram. Then as you can see, in just a few seconds, this will reflect on a social media icon. So let's also add in here YouTube. So let's put in here youtube.com. And then let's add a link. Then as you can see, it will also prepare right here. You can also add in here your TikTok, your X or Twitter, as well as your Pinterest, Snapchat, Tumblr, Vimeo, and all of these things. Under here, you can see your custom CSS where you can add custom codes in order to make this possible. Now after that, click on this save right here and you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon!